You ever stare at your laptop and think, okay, so everyone is suddenly rich from AI. Did I miss a memo or a ritual? Meanwhile, some dude on Twitter just made $22K in 3 days, selling a Notion template he whipped up while microwaving tofu. Here's the twist. Most people aren't making money with AI. They're making money because they know how to leverage it. Subtle difference. Massive bank account. Today, I'll show you exactly how to do that, with real use cases, one core principle, and zero fluff. No coding, no cringe, no cold DMs. Let's go. Let's kill a myth real quick. You don't need to learn AI to make money with it. You're not applying for a job at OpenAI. You're hiring AI for your team. Think of AI as your unpaid, overqualified co-founder. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't complain, and it won't ask to circle back after the offsite. Your job? Know what to delegate and how to sell the outcome. This isn't about becoming a prompt wizard. It's about thinking like a strategist, not a user. Have experience in something mildly useful? Good. Time to turn it into a digital product, faster than you can say passive income is a lie, which it is, but that's another video. Use AI to outline the structure, write the content, build the lead magnet, draft the emails, create the landing page, analyze feedback. You are not the product. The system is the product. For example, someone shared publicly, no cloak and dagger here, that using just 7 high-quality ChatGPT copywriting prompts, they made $9,000 in 1 month. This isn't a fairy tale. It's a real slice of the AI economy in action. Structure it well. Add value. Let AI help you produce and scale. You don't need to invent anything. Just connect the dots faster than the guy next to you. Use AI to solve a real problem, for someone too busy or too clueless to do it themselves. Real estate agents need listing descriptions? Use a form plus ChatGPT API plus automation and earn $500 a month for copywriting service. Local businesses need reviews? Build a Zap that turns customer data into AI-generated review requests. Charge $1,000 per month and call it reputation automation. You're not a tech expert. You're a business translator with leverage. And guess what? That's what most businesses actually need. Someone who gets the problem and delivers the solution fast. Here's the core idea. And no, you don't need a math degree for this. Value isn't about how much effort you put in. It's about the result you deliver, multiplied by how easily you can deliver it. Most people sell their effort. Smart people sell results. Smarter people? Use AI to deliver those results with 90% less effort and keep the price tag. So before you ask, what tool should I use? Start with, what problem do I solve? What outcome does my client want? How can I use AI to deliver it faster or better? Once you nail that, the tools become obvious. And if they're not, ask ChatGPT. It's literally built to answer annoying questions. Let's clear some landmines. Copy-pasting AI content without editing. You're not a content creator, you're a copy-paste technician. Selling AI tools like they're magic pills. They're not. They're hammers. You're the builder. Or at least, the guy who read the manual. Learning 47 tools before making your first $1 Google Sheets and ChatGPT can get you to 10K if you're not a drama queen. Thinking more effort, more income. This isn't corporate. You don't get promoted for struggling. This isn't about shortcuts. It's about shifting from labor to leverage. AI gives you the ability to amplify your thinking, not just automate tasks. In 2025, the most valuable skill isn't prompt engineering. It's being able to spot a market gap, use AI to build something that fills it. Package and sell that result at scale. AI isn't replacing you. It's exposing who wasn't needed in the first place. Make sure you're not in that group. So, can you make money with AI? Yes. If you stop treating it like a toy and start treating it like a teammate, build the system once, sell the outcome repeatedly. Let your robot army do the boring stuff while you go take a very smug walk. If this helped, you know what to do. Click the thing, drop a comment, Or just send this to a friend who still thinks ChatGPT is just for writing blog posts. We'll pray for them. Until next time, leverage smart, not hard.